Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olamide, and if you're seeing me for the very first time, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome to all my subscribers, to all my viewers. Thank you very much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a detailed eyebrow tutorial that is beginner friendly and also looks very professional. The steps are pretty easy. You just need 5 items. I'm going to show you what those items are, but before I continue, I just want to say thank you for the love on my last video, the video of how my husband did my makeup. The comment section was killing me. If you haven't watched it, I'm going to link it up here. Please watch it after you've of course watched this one. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So before we start our tutorial, I'm going to show you the 5 items that I said that you need. So you need your pencil. You can use a retractable pencil. This one is retractable and self-sharpening, so you can roll it up, roll it down. You can use a normal eye pencil. You can also use a brow pomade or a brow gel liner. Another thing that you need is your concealer. So this is 2 shades lighter than myself, so you can use a shade lighter, 2 shades lighter, 3 shades lighter, provided you know how to blend it in. Then I'm going to be using this dark shade as well for my brows, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it as well. Then in terms of your brush, you need like this highlighting brush. See how the bristles are sharp? So this is what you need, an angled brush or an angled brush. This one isn't angled, but it's almost like has the same width with an angled brush. Then this is a brush that is used, a blending brush actually. So I'm going to use this to blend all my creamy concealer to ensure that there are no sharp lines. So these are basically the 5 items that you need. You don't need so much. And yeah, so with this said, let's get right into the video. When you start, what you want to do is ensure that your pencil is very sharp. Now this pencil is self-sharpening. If you do not have a pencil that is like this, you have to sharpen it and ensure that you're not using a blunt pencil. That's what I always tell my students. You'll have to ensure that your pencil is very, very sharp. So when you're drawing your pencil, you want to ensure that you're going very, very close to your hair. You're not drawing far away, so that when you're highlighting, it's not going to be a problem, okay? Another thing you want to ensure is that you don't want to put pressure on your pencil at all, so that you don't have like very thick lines that are too hard to conceal. Don't put pressure on your pencil. Take it slowly, so it feels like you're drawing dotted lines and connecting them together. done with this brow tutorial. One thing I also want to show you is the use of a brow gel to lighten or darken your brows. So now that I feel like, now the reason why my brows may look so light is because I have not done my entire foundation, so it's standing out and it looks, you know, it might look too thick or too dark. However, once I put like the rest of the products on my face, everything, you know, works out. However, if you feel like you've done something and you've drawn your brows and you want it to be too dark, I want it to be too light, you can use a makeup brow gel to lighten it. Using this brow gel by Makeup Factory, and you can see that it's light. Put it like this on your brows. Also, a lot of things you can do to set under your brows. To start with, you know, setting your brows first, you know, with powder. That's another technique. I might probably do a separate tutorial, but just, you know, following these very easy steps, beginner friendly, not too much. This is all that you need. And yeah, now that I'm not zoomed in, you can see that it looks very good. So this is what my brows look like. Let me know if you really liked it. Please like, share, leave a comment, subscribe. I'll be in my comment section waiting for you, waiting to interact with you. If there's another tutorial that you want me to do, let's say an eyeliner tutorial, a lip liner tutorial, an eyeshadow tutorial, just let me know. If you want to elevate your beauty game in 2023, okay? So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. It's not a home where no one's there, so